Hello, my name is Lena Archbold from Lena Archbold Textile Art and Design, and today I would like to tell you more about fine felt and about my workshop where we're going to create scarf like this in a technique of fine felt, where we're going to use fine or super fine merino wool. You're going to use not a lot, just a little, just enough to make fine felt. Because my favorite product, it is not a synthetic fiber, it is man-made fiber, made from by-product of wood, and magical silk. This is Margilan Uzbek silk, and we're going to use rarefied, very thin silk. And behind me, this is a silk. This is shiny, fine silk, which creates beautiful felt. We will add other magical ingredients, and which ingredients you're going to work with, you will find out during the workshop. So what are you going to learn? Obviously, like I said, fine felt. But on top of this, you're going to learn a layout, felt making layout, which is very popular in creation of felted garments, which makes garment nicely draped and very light. Very fine tassels. It's very difficult to achieve very even fine tassels in felt making, and I will be teaching you how to do that. A loop without stitching, which is very comfortable to have to keep scarf in place. Embellishment. We will use very unusual materials to achieve beautiful embellishment in your scarf. Talking about scarf, if you look at my scarf, it has two different designs. It has quite rich design here, and you're welcome to experiment further, and I will teach you more techniques, embellishment techniques during workshop. Another side is more muted, but really nicely goes together. Okay, I usually teach small groups, so this workshop is suitable either for anyone who would like to learn this particular technique, fine felt, or even complete beginners. And if you have a group, I would be very happy to come to you and teach workshop too. If you have any questions, please visit my website, lenaarchbold.co.uk. You can find work of my students there. Give me a call, and I will be happy to tell you more about this workshop and other classes I run. Thank you so much for your attention and for watching this video. Bye. Take care. Bye.